From the heart of ancient sands rises a kingdom that never bowed. In ancient Kemet, healing eyes meant miracles. Their medical knowledge began with studying nature. They used oils and salts to cleanse eyes. Honey and resin were powerful healing mixtures.
Kohl protected vision, far beyond cosmetics. Bronze tools enabled precise and delicate surgery.
Skilled hands removed growths with steady precision. Early cataract surgery used gentle needle pressure. Herbal mixtures restored clarity and eased pain. Healing required balance between body and spirit. Many regained vision after dedicated, careful treatment.
Their knowledge shaped medicine for future civilizations.
Ancient hands healed eyes and shaped history. The sands will speak again until our next journey. This is Kingdom of Kemet.